name's Shelby. I'm from Foamex and we are manufacturers of polystyrene here in Australia. So obviously we bring sustainable polystyrene products to the market with regards to you guys getting up your thermal rating, your R values and things like that. We do a lot with regards to under slab as well as your under flooring to bring up your insulation, your energy efficiency ratings. So you got the slab edge, which is our XPS product, which is mainly used when you have to get up to your typical R1. So it is used obviously on your slab. It's a new thing that a lot of people now are having to use, even though they don't necessarily want to, but it's part of that new NCC report that they have to use it now, just because you need to bring up that energy efficiency rate. We're looking into bringing in a new sort of product, which is regards to obviously your slab edge, just for that extra protection, because obviously with the product itself, it will sit flush this way across the footings. However, we're finding that this ends up getting damaged as this is the only thing that's around. However, we thought if we bring something to the market to protect it, this would then end up being your finished side. So you can tell quite the difference to the plain product and raw board itself. So you've got the EPS, which is an expanded polystyrene, and the XPS, which is an extruded poly. So this is a semi-closed cell, while this is obviously an expandable foam. So it's manufactured quite differently. We make this in a major production line, which uses finer granulates, while this one is used with larger bead that is then molded into major blocks, and we cut from that. And all of our products have a lot of recycled material, around about 40 to 60% worth of goods that you can use for your white goods and stuff like that. So the waffle pods are used under slab. So they are a waffle pod slab that are used obviously for your residentials, a lot of your residential homes and things like that. So it's just more cost effective in regards to instead of just using a full amount of concrete. It obviously reduces that cost. It gives you your thermal value as well underneath, as well as then you've got your X-Bowl, which is used under floor for your energy efficiency, to bring down your bills, to keep your home warmer than what it would usually be. You can use it obviously retroed, or you can use it from a new build from above now. People don't think you can recycle them, although you can. It's sustainable that way. We obviously take all of that stuff, we regranulate it and we recycle it, and that's why we push it back into our products to make it more sustainable for the environment. So the difference between the white and the grey is the R value. So the white gives you an R1.4, while the black gives you an R1.8. The graphite is a newer product. It's been in the market around about just over 12 months now. The graphite infused itself has a 30% energy efficiency, higher efficiency, due to the fact that graphite is now infused within it to give you that higher R value compared to the white. So with the waffle pods, we can do a takeoff. However, it is only specifically a count of the waffle pods. We do recommend that builders go to an engineer to make sure that the calculation is correct, because we only do an approximate count of waffle pods.